boarding time. I was told by my friend who's actually from here. She said how to pronounce Butuan is Butuan, not Butuan, because me and my friend, and we're from Manila, we always say Butuan, but I don't know, maybe our tongue is very sharp and not as flowy or as smooth, so yeah, Butuan. And here we are boarding Philippine Airlines. Look at our pasulubong bag. I've got it. Okay. That's all from the souvenir shop. We have a lot of pili nuts. Let's board. Oh. Thank you. Okay. Oh, there's Eddie Fall behind. It's gonna be sunny. Sometimes when it's sunny or raining, they provide umbrellas. But this time we're gonna enjoy the sun. Where's Eddie, my kasama? Oh, love you can. Okay, I think he's also carrying a lot of things, like all our pasalubong and my hand carry, and his coffee too. Alrighty. Oh, there's a long line. And I didn't put my sunblock. He says we're gonna be boarding in front, so that's the back. I guess we're going to the shorter line.
You can navigate to small.
Yeah, I'll navigate. Yeah. So this is what the Butuan airport looks like from outside. It does look like a bigger airport compared to Siargao. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's a very nice sunny day. Actually, just a few days ago, a lot of flights going to Manila were cancelled because there was something wrong with the runway. I think it was flooded. And the Manila airport is really something else. It's always traffic. It's not big enough basically to accommodate a lot of international flights. But anyway, here we are. I'll catch you later. Let's see what it's like boarding this plane. Okay. Can give our skin a break from the sun. Yeah. 20, what are we? 38. Buhay. Alrighty. If you plan to bring a hand carry bag like I have, make sure it's the tiny version so you can fit it in the head O. Because sometimes, like, I brought a hand carry one time and it's bigger than usual, so I'm unable to make it fit there. Yeah, so 38. We're only in 31, so it might take a while. We'll be there soon. It's a nice bigger plane. Oh, I forgot to ask if they serve coffee. We'll see. 38. I think we're 38J and K. So that's gonna be window. We're gonna find a way to put our bag. Here, there's space here. Yeah. We got the window seat. So I'm gonna record what it looks like from there when we take off from Butuan. So if you find this part boring, just skip it. But for me, it's always exciting. It's always gonna be exciting to see what the landscapes look like from a new place. Alright, chair tour. In terms of legroom, it's not super spacious. As you can see Eddie's knee almost touching, so if you are a 6-footer, maybe book the chairs that are on the way in front. I feel like it's the only spacious. Yeah. The only spacious
We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination.
Okay, what plane are we flying? This is Airbus 320-200. Airbus 320-200. I don't recall ever like flying this kind of plane, but yeah, cool. Philippine Airlines. Very exciting. I always prefer flying with Philippine Airlines. I mean, I like Cebu Pacific, but for some reason, the planes with PAL just seems a little bit more, I don't know, comfortable, I suppose. In terms of reclining. Let's see if I can recline this really quickly. Just press this. Oh. And that's it. We have about like maybe 3 inches. Yep, 3 inches. And I'll put it back up. Boop. And that's it. Storage. We have this. Hanging your clothes. We don't have any place to hang it at the moment. Like reading light. But we won't need it because we're flying during the day. Can turn that on. It's much cooler now. Yeah. Usually this is a place to hang your clothes, but it's not shaped to hang anything. Anyway, catch you later. And the good news is, I forgot to tell you, that they will be serving coffee from this plane, from this airport, Butuan airport, back to Manila. Because if you're flying straight out to Manila, they won't be serving coffee because their planes are smaller and they can't like heat water or something in the plane. But this one will. So exciting! I think with Val they serve UCC coffee.
Attention ground staff, door will be closed shortly to all our passengers. Please take your with your seatbelt strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle, and pull. To unfasten, lift up of buckle, pull free, and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects in your body. Slip vest over your
We
head.
did this flight 3 times today.
So I'm gonna be recording until we take off. This might be boring for you, but yeah, let's fly. We always reply. Should I just take the left side, like that side, because you will see a lot of the mangroves. Now, when you take off from Butuan to Manila, maybe try staying on the left side as well, because the plane does that, and then you can see more of the land. You still see a lot here, but I'm also saying this for myself when we fly soon, that like I can remember all these details. Obviously, when you fly the other way around, take the other lane or the other side. Love her.
No.
What say you?
Wala. Just can't see.
Life hack: if you love coffee as much as I do, bring your own cup so that they can refill this instead of using their tiny little cups. And in a while, you're gonna see my favorite snack, which is the dried mango and peas. So yeah, let's enjoy. There you go.
I like how she signaled there.
What?
Like that seafood though.
Yeah. We'll see. I think they're doing a
Oh,
coffee.
maybe not.
ritual.
Maybe not coffee.
This is
Maybe.
for the-
See the coffee.
They're gonna need a lot of coffee for
There you
this.
go. That's good code.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. What brand is it now? It used to be UCC before.
Not sure.
It's changed na.
Bago lang.
Bago ha. Yeah.
The other aircraft with business class.
Okay.
Use UCC for this flight. Instant.
Instant. Okay lang. At least may coffee pa rin. Thank you. Big creamer. Ako creamer lang.
Coffee please. Coffee lang.
Half.
Yeah. So, coffee. Couple.
Sorry.
Half lang talaga. Me, I like it full. Me, I will use a creamer for this. Thank you. Ako creamer. Ako creamer lang, please. Thank you. Baka one more, please. Yeah, thank you. Yum.
Sundays.
This is my favorite. So I'm really happy that they support Filipino products. This one is peas with mango, and it's La Mesa Filipina. One of the flight attendants in my flight from Siargao to Manila was so generous because I really loved it, and he gave a lot more. And yeah, this is a full glass of coffee. I'll be staying up the whole day, and I think I needed it, or I need it because we were up at 4 a.m. How do you like it?
It's okay. I've been somewhere in my house for a very long time. The house.
Yeah. And then Eddie ordered coffee from the airport a while ago, and we're also recycling that, so at least we don't have to have so much waste. Yep, recycle is the way to go. From Basti Coffee. Thank you, Basti, whoever you are.
distance is 27 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. And today is Wednesday, May 22.
Feedback on this flight Butuan to Manila.
Everybody says
Butuan. It's on time. We left early, or we left on time at 7 a.m. That was our flight time, and we did leave at that time. Then landing time, it took us an hour and a half to get here, and I think it's on time now. Is it 7:30 right now? What time is it? 8:34. Super on time. So yeah, Philippine Airlines so far, they've been pretty good to us. What's that? It's the bomb, yeah. Coffee's the bombs, service is the bomb, seats are okay for economy, so keep it up. What?
I'm expecting you to crash and you're hungry off the coffee.
I know, I can feel myself. Okay, to be fair, I really miss Siargao. I miss people. I miss my friends. Not people, I miss my friends. I miss the people in Siargao.
I'd like to see that sentence written down. I miss the people, I miss the friends, I miss the people, I miss the friends, I miss everyone.
Sorry, it's the caffeine.
People Siargao, people, yes, people.
Too much coffee.
24%.